Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. And to all who already subscribed to my YouTube channel and also who have not, respect, isn't me, for viewing my channel. So let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be talking about Teejay performance because people have been talking about Teejay performance in Ghana. And I tell the people in Guyana, they love Jamaican artists them. Now we check in Teejay performance, people.
Yeah, Guyana, we can answer that question. Big up to all the hustlers in their place right now. Big up to all poor people. If you know struggling in their life, and you work hard for making to struggle and better things in their life. Big up to all of those who work hard right now, because some boom, 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 boom in the sky. If you're ready for your up,
oh, like a river I've been running ever since. It's been a long and change got oh, yes.
Yeah, good.
It's been too hard living.
And that's the one.
But I'm afraid to die. 'Cause I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been long time coming, but I know the change won't come.
No, viewers and subscribers, be honest, no man. Tell me if I lie, me I tell in the comment section, no man. When you can't tell me say Guyana people no support Jamaican artists them. And when you can't tell me say Ghana people them no understand what Jamaican people them a say. You get me? In a them song, brother. So when me I try to say is Teejay put on a great performance, people. You can't take that from Teejay. And the whole of Ghana love Teejay, you can tell, because them a sing him song same way and the whole crowd a move. So what me have to say is congratulations Teejay. You see me? Big up yourself, artists. Go and put in the hard work. You see me? Go and do it for your fans them. And as I say, viewers and subscribers, leave it in the comment section if what me I say is wrong. Until the next one, I'm out. Thank you all for watching.